I am Dr. Jayaprakash Nima. I am a radiation oncologist working for at least 30 years in this field. Right now, I am working at the Apollo CBCC Cancer Center at Gandhinagar. Many times in our life, we come across such a difficult situations, and these situations they have impact on us personally also. I remember long back there was one patient of nearly 40 years suffering from cancer of the tongue. The surgery was done first, and then according to reports, we need to give radiation. But all his reports were telling us that his disease will recur very fast. Therefore, we started the treatment very early. But surprisingly and unfortunately, within first week of radiation, that patient developed a disease recurrence. We took confidence of all the relatives in this case and informed that the life has become very shortened. He is not likely to survive for more than 6 months, a year. But somehow, unfortunately, his mother was behind the door. She also heard the same thing. On the same day, at the night, she gave me a phone call and shouted that how you can say that my son will die. I will burn your degree, I will burn the hospital, I will burn the medical college. And that statement on the phone was very shocking for me. I called my director as well as the administrative officers that this thing has happened. They told me, doctor, just don't worry, this happens in life because she is a mother and she got a heart of a mother. How a mother can tolerate the death of his son, and therefore she is telling in this way, you just don't worry. Next day when I went to hospital, everything was calm and quiet, there was no problem. But such types of situation happens in cancer patient because in our experience 33% of the patient they survive for 5 years and rest they die within a period of 5 years. We have seen many patients who are totally cured, particularly vocal cord, Solpatina case. They are totally cured. We are very happy. I remember one patient from Junagadh. He was a health worker and doing many types of worships and other things. So he developed CL larynx. We give radiations. And even after 15 years, it's perfectly all right. There are many patients who cross 10 years, 20 years, 15 years, but they are not visiting hospital because it's a social stigma that if you visit hospital, people will tell that they are suffering from something disease and there may be social problems. But at least once in a year, these people give me a phone call or they send a message at the time of New Year or at the time of Diwali about the wishes and appreciate our efforts done by us in saving them time. It's really very, very heartening and very good experience. Well, yes, there are so many other experiences in last 30 years of my life. I belongs to Indore, but working at Ahmedabad and decided to settle here. Then one day I went for the purchase of a apartment and then I went to book the flat. The owner was there and with him there was a supervisor who saw me and recognized me and told me, sir, we know you very well because you treated my grandmother some 8 years earlier and she is still fine and doing well. It was astonished how it is possible. Then she explained that she was having a cancer of uterus which was treated us by radiations and she became all right. But she never visited hospital again because of the stigma. That was very good experience. I purchased the flat and still living and residing in that flat till now.